Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Franco with Trading Futures Live. In this video, I will do my daily trading recap and I'll show you the trade of the day. Let's jump right in. Alright, this is the calendar, right, from H1. Today is the 23rd of May and I took 4 trades. A 3 break even. This was unbelievable, but it's the way it works. And sometimes this might happen, right? So my first trade was in my first trade, and I want to explain the difference between my first trade and my other 3 trades, because my first trade was a short, right? I saw signs of weakness, but I really had no entry point till 10:05, right? So the thing with this trade is that it moved so hard to the downside that it was now that the location was not optimal, right, for the short. Regardless, I wanted to jump into the trend because I was thinking that the market might keep dropping today, right? But what I did is this. This is the zone, right? This was the zone, right? And then I took a short right here where the magenta arrow is, and it moved 1 to 1, and I moved my stop break even very aggressively. And the difference between this trade and the other two is the location of the trade. Look where the price is coming from, right? The price is coming from the top, right? It already moved to the downside. So my interpretation of what the chart is telling me is that if this thing is going to continue going down, it's going to continue going down from here. There's no need for me to stress if this is going to, like, in my decision matrix, there is no choice but to move my stop break even and wait, right? As a difference from my next trade, I'll show you. And before we go on here, I want to show you the internals. They were going down, right? And here is the tick chart. The red circle is when I got filled, and after I got filled, it created a higher low. And I think I saw that, and I said that during the live stream. I want to see this thing coming sharply down, more down, but it never broke this pivot, right? So that's my first trade, break even. Very sad. Um, I do use a lot of custom, comments because it helps me to get better. And here's the coming aggressive target and aggressive moving my stop. The market already moved down into the downside, so I was trading short, low in the curve. Not very low in the curve, but it's to the lower side, right? So when that happens, I want to be aggressive, taking the money out because the market can reverse at any time. Alright, so that's my first break even. My second break even is this zone, right? I have this zone. It's a pretty wide zone. I usually don't take this type of zones, but like I said in the live stream, I did a study of my trades during the weekend, and if I get to trade these zones more and I implemented this today, like I was top break even here, right? But if you see all the arrows, one entry, stop break even. I let it breathe inside the chart, inside the zone. I got back in short, right? It moved down to my 1-to-1 real quick. My 1-to-1 was 890, right around here, right? So it went back so close to my 2-to-1, right? And then my third opportunity, I still took it because the internals were showing a lot of weakness, So this is the ADQD. So if you guys see, all my 3 trades were here. And what happens at the last time? The last time, all right. This is my second and third trade. You can verify here my second trade. It's just a matter of the second entry here, right? And here I show you see the red circle is still within this drop, right? The 80 QD was showing weakness. The tick chart was showing weakness, so I was shorting, right? On my winning trade, is the last entry right here, right? This is the entry. And I was a lot more aggressive taking the money out. Why? Because, yeah, I see selling pressure here in this area, right? But now this is a third time. This is a third time the price is within the zone. So how probable is that to keep pushing the price down? It's not very probable, and as a matter of fact, that's what it did. Like, I had my target here, and I was a lot more aggressive. My previous targets were here, right? Down here. Now, my new target was a lot closer because my way of thinking is, all right, I just need a 2-to-1 trade. I don't need to, swing for the fences and hit a home run, because that's what it gave me the first 2 weeks of May. Sometimes I was 2 or 3-to-1 in the trade, but I got a break even, and then I happened to get a loser, right? So I was very aggressive here. Now the internals now, look at this. We created a new high, right? New low, but then here what happened is started to go up. I don't want this to affect my trade, right? So I was very aggressive in the trade. I don't have any missed trade today. I usually have 1 or 2. I didn't have any other trade, so everything I had, I took it, and that's why we designated this the trade of the day. Is for a and we can check here how much was it. It was a 2.32 to 1. Not bad. Alright. So that's the trade of the day and the recap for today. You know the drill. Please like, subscribe, and share. That helps us to grow this channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live stream. Have a nice day.